Why does the USA hold such a dominant position on the world stage? The reasons are complex, rooted in economics, military might, and culture. For decades, the United States has been considered the world's sole superpower following the Cold War. But what factors truly cement this status? When we say rules the world, we're not talking about literal control, but about unparalleled influence and the ability to shape global events, economies, and culture. The foundation of U.S. global influence lies in its integrated leadership across multiple domains: economic, military, and soft power. At the core of America's strength is its massive and dynamic economy, the largest in the world. The sheer size and diversity of the U.S. economy, from manufacturing and agriculture to services and high tech, make it remarkably resilient and globally significant. The U.S. dollar serves as the world's primary reserve currency, meaning global trade, especially commodities like oil, are predominantly priced in dollars. This gives the U.S. massive financial leverage. Home to Silicon Valley, the U.S. dominates global technological innovation, setting standards for the digital world and maintaining a massive lead in emerging technologies. Beyond economics, military superiority plays a crucial role in projecting American power globally. The U.S. military budget is unrivaled, allowing for unmatched global power projection with bases and assets deployed across every continent. The U.S. maintains a crucial network of alliances, including NATO, which amplifies its diplomatic influence and military reach far beyond its borders. Many nations rely on the U.S. as a global security guarantor, trusting its presence to maintain stability and freedom of navigation on international waters. Power isn't just about money or guns. It's also about attraction and persuasion, what's often called soft power. Hollywood films, popular music, and global brands spread American culture worldwide, shaping desires and often influencing political landscapes. U.S. universities remain global leaders, attracting the best talent worldwide and creating a powerful connection to future leaders who take American ideals back home. The ideals of democracy, free markets, and individual liberty championed by the U.S. have had a profound, if sometimes complicated, effect on global political development. While dominant, American power is not absolute and faces increasing challenges in the 21st century. The rise of nations like China, both economically and technologically, presents the most significant challenge to U.S. global hegemony, creating a new multipolar dynamic. Modern global power is less about simple domination and more about interconnectedness and influence. The U.S. may not rule in the traditional sense, but its structural advantages ensure its central role for the foreseeable future.